Bug Springs is possibly one of the most overlooked hikes in Tucson, Arizona. My guess is that people shy away from this hike because it's listed as a hard hike and it's over 9 miles long. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make this hike much shorter and why you should consider making this your next hike in the Santa Catalina Mountains north of Tucson. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today we are talking about one of Tucson's best hikes in my opinion, Bug Springs. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to follow along with Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. And when you're ready to buy or sell a Tucson home, all my contact information is in the description below each video on the channel, and please check out other videos on the channel after this one. We have over 100 videos out about Tucson and real estate on this channel. The Bug Springs Trailhead is right off of the Mountain Lemon Highway and has 2 access points, a lower and an upper. If you want to make a more manageable family hike, I recommend you have 2 cars and park one at the lower trailhead and take the other to the upper trailhead, where you will start off with quite a climb, but once you reach the half-mile point, it is mostly downhill from there. The hike is listed as a 9.5 mile out and back trail, but we do it point to point to make it 4.25 miles, which is much more manageable for a family. The hike is best done between September and early May, since it can get pretty hot in the summertime. This trail gives you some great views of the Catalina Mountains as you approach open areas. Make sure to watch until later in this video for some really cool drone shots. It doesn't take long until you reach what the trail is named after, the springs. Many cross the trail with running water. Everyone loves a babbling stream while hiking, right? The trail also has some great wooded areas with a nice tree canopy to protect you from the sun and keep you cool. There's a secret hidden spring waterfall if you can find it. The hint is to listen for the falling water. There's a little bit of rock hopping to do, but it's worth it for this neat little rock formation. After the wooded area, the trail opens up and you can see out of the Catalinas down into the Tucson Valley. Hopefully you get a nice clear day to see farther. Even if it is a little dusty, you can see the Santa Rita Mountains in the distance. One of the best parts about this trail is the descent back down to the lower trailhead. You hike a ridgeline that has some great rock formations. If you're not familiar with the Catalinas, you need to check them out. The rock formations are called hoodoos. The granite erosion patterns are really cool to see and give you a great close-up focal point to contrast with the sweeping valley and mountain views. As you move down in elevation, you get more into the grasslands with shrubs. In the warmer months, definitely watch out for rattlesnakes. Make sure your dog is snake trained if you take them out in Tucson. Check out our video on snake training if you're unfamiliar with this practice. I hope you've learned a little bit about why you should give Bug Springs Trail in the Santa Catalina Mountains a try. It really is an awesome trail that can be challenging if you want it to be, but it can also be quite family friendly. If you're interested in buying or selling a home here in Tucson, Arizona, give me a call. I'd love to help you out. All my contact information is in the description below each video on the channel, and there are tons of other videos on the channel about things to do and see and know about the city, my hometown. Comment below with your favorite hike here in Tucson, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out the door. I appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video.